Hello, my name is Mike from The Automotive Approach. Today we're going to be taking you through a quick video tour of our Jaguar X-Type Sport Premium. So this is our 2009 Jaguar X-Type Sport Premium. It's 2.2 diesel automatic. It's covered 99,000 miles from new. It's got 2 keys, a whopping 11 service stamps, and whilst in our care, we've given it a service, fresh MOT, full 102-point independent mechanical inspection, new disc and pads all round, and we've also replaced all 4 injectors. So it's running beautifully smoothly now. Tyres are all in really good condition. The bodywork overall is in really good condition as well for the age and mileage. Odd tiny little bit here and there, but really nothing bad. Alloys look stunning as well. Really nice. Inside, got this beautiful creamy ivory leather with lovely stitching. Heated too, along with the electric functioning front seats. Memory settings on the driver's seat too. You've got power fold mirrors, AM FM radio, satellite navigation, Bluetooth, air conditioning, cruise control. Very nicely equipped, and it's in really good condition for the age. Lovely motor. Similar story in the back, really good condition, no complaints there at all. It's a pretty good sized boot for a saloon car. You've also got the pull levers just there to fold the rear seats down just in case you need to get anything a bit longer in. Very nice tiny motor. Clearly been looked after through the years. Really good service history. It's a really good colour combo too. The dark blue with the light sort of ivory cream leather looks really nice in my opinion. Nice luxurious car. As always, if you like this video, please like and subscribe. It really helps us out. And if you have any more questions or queries, please get in touch.